Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be talking about the wig that I'm wearing right now, and this wig is from Janet Collection. It is called Moon and it is in the color OET 1B/30. I saved the packaging just for this video. I've had this wig for about 3 days now. I've worn it every day for 3 days. I have not slept in this wig. When you get it fresh out the packaging, this is what it's going to look like. I have already, brushed and combed through mine. You do get a little bit of tangling with this wig, but nothing too major. The length, I want to say, is like a good 22 to 24 inches thereabouts. It's really soft, it has a nice yaki texture to it, nothing like too silky. It does come with these center parts. I did not tweeze, I did not add any concealer or foundation to the part because I wanted you to see it how it comes. Usually with my synthetic wigs, what I like to do is leave just a little bit of lace still on the wig so that when I do the little baby hairs and all that stuff, it kind of blends a little bit better and the hair has something to adhere to. But I noticed with this wig and a lot of other Janet Collection wig, the cap comes really small, and even though the lace was that really nice soft Swiss type of lace, it just was not working. So I end up cutting all the lace off and then leaving just a little bit of my own hair in the front so that it has a better flow between wig and hairline. It is heat protectant, not heat protectant. It is flame retardant. What's the word I'm looking for? Heat resistant. Did I say that? Is that what I said initially? So the wig is heat resistant up to 360 degrees actually. So if you wanted to straighten this or put a little bit more curls to it, you could do that. This is their ombre series, so if you want, they do have a little bit lighter. They have it with purple, they have it with 99J, they have all these bunch of colors for you to choose from. So yeah, it's pretty good. I got this one from my beauty supply store for $29.99, which I think is a pretty good price for what you're getting. The only thing I don't like about the wig is the size of the cap. It was just a little bit too snug for me. I definitely had to, usually I don't have to braid my hair down, but with this one I definitely had to braid her down. So if you have a larger sized head, maybe this wig won't work so well for you. And then how I did my braids, it was 6 going this way, 3 on each side, and then 6 going backwards so that the braids just flow down and the parting is nice and flat. It comes with 2 combs in the front right here by the lace, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps as usual, so you don't have to glue or tape your wig down if you don't want to, so that you don't have to sleep in the wig, because synthetic wigs aren't that fun to sleep in when you wake up the next morning. It's just a hot tangled mess and nobody wants that. All right. The ombre in this wig is literally only in the top, so that's another down I found for this wig. I would have preferred if they did the color, the brown or the black, all throughout the wig, but how they have it, every single thing is 30, and then just literally right here in the crown part is where you have the 1B, which I guess is fine, but I would have preferred for it to have a little bit more of the black in there to give it some more dimension, if that makes sense. So that's the end of the video. If you guys have any questions for me or feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, please go ahead and leave it in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Hey bunnies, so quick question. Do you want to film a Naked Sunday video with me? If yes, which I'm hoping the answer is yes, now is the perfect time to film with me. Click the link in the description bar below so you can get full access to the very first live taping of Naked Sunday. I'm gonna bring 2 of my favorite girlfriends. We are going to have an open bar, we're gonna have giveaways, we're gonna have pictures, and of course, we're going to be talking sex. Right? How fun is that? So if you want to be part of the very first filming of the, what am I going to call this? Naked Sunday full frontal, click the link in the description bar below for more info.